Today, I am going to explain the purchase process in acSysERP. The modules in purchase process are indent, purchase order, then material receipt voucher, purchase return, purchase invoice, debit note, and payment voucher. This slide shows the purchase flow, where the system allows conversion from one document to another. It can be either receiving materials first, followed by invoice and then the payment. This is referred as purchase process 1. Or make the invoice first, and then material receipt voucher later. This is referred as purchase process 2. In this video, we will cover the purchase process 2. It is not necessary to start from indent. You can start at any document stage, based on individual business requirements. Now, I am going to start with indent stage. Open the indent form, and click on New button. Then, select the vendor name. Enter the item and quantity. For the second item, let's have a closer look at the item dialog. Here, you can see the stock by warehouse or branch. This section below shows the item history of previous quotation, sales order, delivery order, invoice, and purchase order. Now save the document and print. Next step is to convert the indent to purchase order. Open the purchase order form and click on New button. We can enter the details directly or convert it from indent. Let's select the recently saved indent. This will load all the relevant details from the indent. At the same time, the previous purchase price will be automatically loaded. We can modify the details if required. Save the purchase order. Now, open the purchase order list view. It shows the newly created document with open status. In case of purchase process 1, the purchase order is converted to material receipt voucher, and then to purchase invoice. But in this video, we will follow the purchase process 2, where the purchase order is converted to purchase invoice, and then to material receipt voucher. Open the purchase invoice form. Click on New button. Select the purchase order number from the list. Let's select the type as cash invoice, and ensure the Update Inventory checkbox is unticked. The document will launch the cashier form, where it shows the cash tendered and the balance details. Click on this button to see the GL entries for this document. Let me open the Bill-wise report and the ledger statement. The newly created document entry is reflected in both the reports. The purchase order list view shows the status as closed. Now, let's receive the items from the purchase invoice document. Create a new material receipt voucher. Select the conversion type as invoice, and then enter the invoice number. You can receive partial items, but let's make it full now. Save and print the material receipt voucher. Click on this button to see the GL entries for this document. Check the purchase invoice status after the material receipt. The purchase cycle is complete for this document. Transaction history shows the conversion process. You have seen the purchase process to an acSys ERP. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.